Yes, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you very much. Now today, as many of you suggested, we will do this Egyptian numeral system. Okay. As we always do, I will show you something that is quite an interesting thing. Then we will take it further in the next step. First, I will show you this. Then we will go to numeral system and we will come back to this. Just look at what you see here. What do you see here?
A cube. Sir, a cube.
It's a cube. Yes, it is a wire frame of a cube, right? Because the faces are missing, right? When you see a cube, there are faces. Like when you see a cube,
that's just
it has faces. All. There is one face here. Yeah, one face here, one face here, one face here. It has faces, but in this particular one, the faces are missing. Only wire frames are, only edges are there.
So the thing is, it can never be there. Also, because first thing is.
So here, if you see this is also a wire frame. You see, we can call all these edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also edges. And if you already know, cubes where you find is on the dice, where you play the dice, you see faces. And you all know there are 6 faces. But as we are discussing geometry this week, so we will go into much more detail, like how many edges are there, how many faces are there, and how many places the edges join. This is also one of the specifications when we talk about polygons. Polygons is one face. When you see like see this way, then you can call it a polygon, right? It is a square. So you can call it a polygon because it is only one face. But when you see it in 3D, do we call it polygon or what do we call it? It's a 3D shape now. So does anyone know what to call this now? Like square, triangle, pentagons. Go ahead, tell me. Yes.
Tetrahedron.
It is not tetrahedron. Tetrahedron has 4 faces. But one thing you have done right, it's a
quadrilateral.
Yes, it is a hadron. It is a hadron. That is right. Hadron is
polyhedron.
Yes. Hadron part is good
and the
because
thing in
instead of using gon, we use hadron. Like this is it has 6 faces. So we can call it hexahedron. Here it has 1, 2, 3, 4 faces. So we call it tetrahedron, right? But this one is a cube. So 6 faces, we call it hadron. So this is how we call many 3D shapes. We add hadron, hexahedron. Here it is octahedron. Then all this. So this is a cube with 6 faces, and you can calculate on your own how many edges would be there. Edges is where this one edge. This is 2 edge, 3 edge, 4 edge. So can you calculate how many total edges are there on this? Total edges, like sticks. If you have matchsticks, how many matchsticks you will use
12,
to make a cube?
There are 12 edges. 12 edges.
12 edges. Yes, 4 up, 4 down, and 4 here.
Excuse me, sir.
3 times 4. And it has 1, 2, and 4. 6 faces. All 6 faces. And how many corners? These corners are there. Corners are called, one corner is called vertex. Then there are many, so we call it vertices. So how many corners are there in a cube?
8.
8. Perfect. So this is what it has. So here you see it is a cube.
Not a cube because it looks like the last one the last one there looks like the front one here is going under the last one there.
Sir, it's an optical illusion. It's an
optical illusion. It's 2D.
Okay. Now, when you see in the mirror, you see what shape it is. And here, you see it is a cube. You have already noticed it.
We can't see the mirror fully. Can you show?
Sir, we can't see the mirror, but we saw it.
Yes, I will show you. I will show you. We will go back to arithmetic now, and we will come back to this exercise a little while later. So this geometry, we have started with geometry. We will go to arithmetics and then come back here. Okay. Now, can you please get your pen and paper? I will give you some exercise for mathematics. Here is, next is, this one is taken care of. Geometry and arithmetic, we always keep mixing because they go hand in hand together. Now I will show you this one here. Okay, we will go back to the cube that you have seen. If you recognize this cube, what you will say of this now? This was the cube before, huh? This was the cube. This used to be the cube. Where is the cube? It was like this. Where is the cube? Look. Does it look cube from any angle?
No.
This is geometry and this is fun. Why? I am an engineer. I explore mathematics only for this. I don't explore mathematics to become a mathematician. I explore mathematics because I have fun with it. Even if, see here, now you see you are getting close to getting cube. See, there are three things. One is a flat one. I will show you this way. You see, I will bring it this way. It is a flat, okay, one way. You see this? You get the construction now? I will bring it up and then you can see. It's straight, one direction. This is what it is. Now, you see? There is one leg here and two legs are coming out of here and third leg is this one. This is one. And if I put it in another view, it is like this. And the third view is like this. But when you see from this angle, the things start to take shape when you look at it from this angle. You see, now things are turning into a shape, right? Now it is becoming a cube, yes. Now imagine, cube is one thing, but whoever designed it, I did not design it. I have not designed it. I have only printed it. The person who designed this, what kind of engineer he would be who designed this? He would be so much in love with mathematics that he can design it. He would say, okay, this edge should be at this angle, this edge should be, see here, it is at a particular angle. I will give you all the three views. One view is this. You see, this is one view, because whenever you see anything, you need three views at least to figure out. This is one view. Now I will give you another view in the same thing. This is another view. And this is the top view. This way. But when somebody had designed it, he has taken care of how the whole thing would start turning into a cube. Now, if they start teaching in school, cube like this, we will have 100 times mathematicians. People will not go become musicians. They would say, mathematics is as much fun. I would not go to Bollywood. I would rather go do mathematics. That is it. So this is just an example of two things. One, the perspective. You know, the way you are looking at things, it changes. Now you are looking at it this way. Earlier you were looking at it from a specific point, the thing became clear. But now it is a mess like this. So it teaches two things. One is a perspective, role of perspective in looking at the thing. Second, the geometry can reach, when you are learning geometry, it is a pathway to this place where you can create certain things. You see now, you see the cube taking shape. You can create things like this. And geometry is also when you make rangoli on your floor, that is also geometry, right? How beautiful it looks when you make a rangoli, then also it is all symmetrical. A beautiful geometry. Geometry is everywhere around you. The only thing is locating it and trying to get friendly with it. So this is one thing I wanted to show you. So what do you like? Do you like this idea? It took me 12 hours of printing. Okay. Now I will shift the camera and